Did you know that different group of people spell and pronounce the word Jrai differently? So in this video, I'm going to go through different spellings and also pronunciations that were done by different groups of people. We will start with the French people who colonized Vietnam, and Vietnam was a French colony. So in the past, in the 1800s, perhaps even in the early 1900s, it was common for them to say Jarai, but they spell it as Djarai. And some English speakers like Charlie Long, who is a well-known American pastors and missionaries to the Jrai people in the 1960s and 70s also spelled the word Jarai with Djarai. In general, English speakers, whether they are Americans, British, or Australians and other English speakers, they spell the word Jrai as Jarai, and they pronounce it Jrai. Most materials written in English language, they spell Jrai this way. And the Vietnamese, or the Kinh people, they are the dominant group of people in Vietnam. They call us Gia Rai. Sometimes they say Người Gia Rai, which means Jrai people. How about our people, the Jrai in Vietnam? So we say and spell the word Jrai differently. The most common way of spelling Jrai is Jarai, just like the English speakers would spell. But we also spell it as Jrai, Jrai, when you say it really fast. And in addition to that, some Jrai people spell the word Jrai as Jarai, which is Jorai. So among the Jrai people in Vietnam, we spell the word Jrai in 3 different ways. Also, if you did not know, there are about 26,000 Jrai living in Cambodia, mostly in Ratanakiri province in northeast Cambodia. According to my Jrai friends who are from Cambodia, they said that the most common way to spell the word Jrai is Jarai, just like most English speakers spell the word Jrai. But they also spell it as Chreay. Jrai. I'm not exactly sure how they pronounce that. In addition to that, they also spell the word Jarai as Jarai, which is Chray. So that's all I know right now. But if you know other ways of pronouncing the word Jrai, or there are other alternative spellings for the word Jrai, please let me know and comment it in the comment box below. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful to you in case you hear these sounds or in your research when you're doing reading and you come across different spellings for the word Jrai. So now you know those spellings are also referring to our people. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and also share this video with other people. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.